Hello, my name is Mark Evans, and I'm going to go over how to how to use your edit and delete buttons and how to target that in jQuery to your code in order to run a function to either edit information or delete. So, starting out here, we'll go to the HTML, and you'll see that there is a button that I have here with the data role of button and data inline true, which means my button will line up if I have another button next to it. And I have this identification, this ID, which is very important. So whatever I put here, whether it be edit or delete, that's going to target, or that's how I'm going to be able to target it in my JavaScript. So when you come over to my code and you look in here, you look at my code, or when you set up your code, you'll see the edit target right here where it says edit live click. So what that tells me is I'm targeting whenever somebody clicks that button, it will refer to this function in this target. So whenever I click edit, it'll fire whatever function I have down here. In this case, I'm using CouchDB to retrieve data. And you can do it however you want, whether it's local storage, whatever you want to do. Whether you want to just go to a different page, you can go to whatever location, or if you want to clear a page, whatever you want to do. Once you target that location, you're able to do that with jQuery. And you don't have to just do it on a click function. You can do it on a mouse over, whatever. You can make the page ready. So however you want to do it, there are different codes that you can use within jQuery, but in this instance, when you're clicking a button, you would probably want to use click. If we come back to the HTML, you'll see here I have another button, which is to delete. Same thing. That targets, in this case, a class, which I opened up another dialog box. So whenever that class fires, it opens up this little dialog box, which I have another button, and that ID calls for this cancel button and then this delete button. So if I come back over to my code, you can see up here where I'm targeting the cancel, all I'm doing is redirecting that button to open up my index page, which clears that dialog box. When I hit delete, that's confirming that I want to delete the player, and then that function fires on click, and my Couch database removes whatever data. And I can show you this all in action here by opening up my app. I click on my list, I pull up a player, the player loads onto the info page, and you'll see here my edit and delete button. So when I click edit, that information will be populated back onto my form, and you'll see that by the name showing up there, the college, and all the other information that was stored in the CouchDB. Now, if I want to go back and see how the delete portion of the delete button works, you hit the delete button, I have a little dialog box that pops up. It fires that class of, when I hit the delete button, a class fired in order to pop up this dialog box, and then I have two more buttons. If I hit cancel here, this will refer me back to the index page, which I wanted it to do. Come back in here, pull up the player, hit the delete button, and if I hit confirm, that'll pass that function and that player will be deleted. Now CouchDB is asking me to log in, so I will do that. So I logged in. Now Joe Flacco should be deleted, which he is. So that's how you do it. I mean, that's all this is pretty much doing, is I'm just showing you basically how to have a button and how to target it to your code in order to make it work. Because like I said, you don't want to actually send it to a different page to do that. You're going to use the pound whatever to your href, whatever. You don't want to send, when you hit the button, to go to a different link. You want it to target a certain ID, and then that ID will be brought up within your code. So that's it. That's how you do it.